Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from your computer. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Control Panel. The first step is to open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key, typing Control Panel, and then clicking on the app. Step 2. Uninstall a program. In the Control Panel, find and click on the Uninstall a Program link under the Programs section. Step 3. Locate Microsoft Edge. You'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Microsoft Edge in the list. Click on Microsoft Edge to select it. Step 4. Uninstall Microsoft Edge. Once Microsoft Edge is selected, you'll see the Uninstall button at the top. Click on it. Then Microsoft Edge will ask for confirmation. Click on Yes to delete the app. And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Edge from your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.